It is a pleasure that you are with me again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following 5 common causes of choking in pets. Let's start. When a dog or cat chokes, it can be a terrifying situation for any pet owner. Fortunately, by knowing the most common pet choking hazards, you can give your pet the help he needs and, in some cases, prevent choking altogether. Here I tell you 5 common causes of suffocation in pets. 1. Foreign objects. Dogs and cats explore their world by tasting and chewing, but sometimes they bite off more than they can chew. A dog can accidentally swallow what he is chewing, and that can cause choking. Choking hazards include chew toys, balls, rawhides, bones, sticks, etc. Basically, anything smaller than the trachea or the back of the throat can get stuck. If your dog seems to be choking on a toy or rawhide, remain calm. A choking dog will panic and may accidentally bite. If your dog can still breathe, take him to the nearest vet immediately. If your dog passes out, then, and only then should you open your mouth and see if you can remove the object. Use both hands to open the mouth and support the upper jaw as you press your lips over the dog's teeth so they are between the teeth and your fingers. Look inside the mouth and remove the blockage if possible. If you can't remove the object, try using a flat spoon to remove it from the dog's mouth. Cats like to chew and swallow floss, which can cause choking if the floss wraps around their tongue. Store all strings and threads out of the reach of cats, and if you play with your cat with feathered fishing rods or other rope toys, store the toys out of reach when you're not playing with your cat. Cats and dogs have also been known to chew on electrical wires, and while electrocution doesn't technically cause suffocation, it can cause pulmonary edema, which fills the lungs with fluid and restricts oxygen exchange. 2. Collapse of the trachea. Tracheal collapse is a common cause of choking in older small breed dogs. In some small breeds, the trachea becomes flaccid, and the more a dog sucks air into the trachea, the more it collapses, causing the dog to cough, splutter, and choke. So far there is no cure for collapsed trachea. But if your dog has been diagnosed with a collapsed trachea, there are steps you can take to minimize the impact of the condition on quality of life. The most helpful recommendations are to keep the dog lean and cool, as excessive body weight and heat exacerbate the condition. If your dog is still having problems, talk to your vet. 3. Infectious disease. Kennel cough, also called infectious tracheobronchitis, is a highly contagious respiratory illness in dogs that can mimic signs of choking. Kennel cough is a general term for various infectious organisms, and dogs catch it from other dogs, or by sniffing sputum expelled by other dogs, just like you catch the common cold from someone sneezing on you. Kennel cough makes dogs cough, and they cough as if something is stuck in their throat. Sometimes affected dogs spit up foam. Kennel cough is easily treated with antibiotics and cough medicine. Another disease that can cause choking in dogs is puppy strangulation. This happens in young dogs and the cause is unknown. Strangled puppies cause swollen throats and lymph nodes, and flu-like symptoms. 4. Feline asthma. Cats can develop coughing, labored breathing, and choking from asthma, which causes suffocation due to constriction of the airways. Feline asthma is an allergic disease, caused by reactions to environmental allergens, such as dust mites or pollen. Feline asthma is a chronic inflammatory condition and there is no cure. However, symptoms can be controlled with medication and by avoiding allergens. 5. Constrictor collars. An overlooked cause of choking in dogs and cats is a collar that is too tight, or a collar that becomes tight when the dog pulls on the leash. Collars can quickly become too tight on fast-growing puppies and kittens, so make sure you check the collar often on puppies and kittens, and that it is loose enough to slip 2 fingers under the collar. If your dog pulls excessively on the leash and then chokes and coughs, then you should train him to stop pulling by using a halter, or a harness specially designed to reduce pulling. I know you would like to have more professional information, and above all, updated information about your dog, so visit the website below in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. That you are very well, thanks, hugs and see you soon.